Abusuafo mema mo nyinaa ache mema mo nyinaa aha mema mo nyinaa adwo mu amu achichi ne bencheye nyinaa ye frame yawo na mema mo nyinaa akwa ababa akan adesua bia ha. This is lesson 2 of the Asante Twi vocabulary course. If you are a non-Akan speaker who plan on traveling to Ghana anytime soon, or if you often find yourself amidst Twi speakers, I believe this lesson will be useful to you. Today, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves in Twi, as well as a few basic Twi phrases. Transcripts of this lesson, as well as other lessons, are available at www.learnakan.com. I will leave a link to the present lesson in the description box below. Okay, if you're ready, let's begin. What is your name? Within the same. Within the same. You may also use Wafre was saying, or Yefre was saying. To answer that, you may say Midin Diao, which is the Twi way of saying my name is Yao. If you choose to respond with they call me Yao instead, you can say Wafre me Yao. You may also say Yefre me Yao. If you use Yefre me Yao, you include yourself in the number of people who call you by the name Yao, since you use the first person plural pronoun we, which is yen in Twi, yen. So it's yen fre me Yao. And if you recall our lesson on Twi pronouns, we said when the pronouns yen, ono, eno, and one serve as actors in a sentence, their forms change. Yen changes into ye, ono becomes o, eno becomes e, and one turns into wo, which are prefixed to their respective verbs. So, yen plus fre becomes yefre. One plus fre will turn into wofre. Ono plus fre will be ofre. And eno plus fre becomes efre. Okay, wait. The present lesson forms part of the course on Twi vocabulary and not grammar. If you want to know more about Akan pronouns and other such grammar-related topics, please visit our blog www.learnakan.com and check out the grammar section. For now, let's continue with the present lesson. I'm 30 years old. Medi mfie eduasa. So the number 30 in Twi is eduasa. We will learn how to count in Twi in a later lesson. I'm from England. Me free England. Do you speak English? What's a brofo? Or what's a potokasa? To respond in the affirmative to this question, you say ane. If not, you may respond Debbie. I live at Amakum. Mete Amakum. I'm glad to have met you. It's been a long time since we met, or it's been a while. I believe all is well. By God's grace, Onyankopon adumunti. Let me not take all your time. It's late. Adiasa. Sorry. Kose. You may also use kafra. It wasn't intentional. Mansheda. I'm happy. Meniaje. I'm sad. Meraho. mera ho. I'm angry, me buafu, me buafu. I'm hungry, come deme, come deme. I'm lost, mayira, mayira. I'm not feeling well, me home fame, me home fame. I'm feeling sleepy, me kum, me kum. I'm thirsty, succumb deme, succumb deme. I'll be here for 3 days. Medi nansa waha, medi nansa waha. Are your parents home? Wawufo wofie, wawufo wofie. Tell your dad I came by. Kachire wo papa se me ba ha. Kachire wo papa se me ba ha. I'm a stranger. Me ye hoho, me ye hoho. Can you show me how to get to Kumasi? Ubetumi achire me kwan ya mefa so akọ Kumasi. Ubetumi achire me kwan ya mefa so akọ Kumasi. We will meet again. Yebesan eshia. Yebesan eshia. This brings us to the end of the lesson. Thank you so much for watching. If the lesson was useful, please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and liking our Facebook page. You may also subscribe to our blog at www.learnakan.com to receive regular updates on new lessons published. See you in our next class. Thank you.